Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be playing around with the brand new, well, it's not that new, it's been out for a little bit, but the new Kimchi Chic and Naomi Smalls 2 Queens 1 Desert collection. Entire collection right here. So we're going to be doing a tutorial using the products, and I'm going to give you guys my review as well. I'll do some swatches of the products too. I'll include those while I'm talking. But when I first saw that they were like hinting that they were going to do a collab together, I was so excited. I love Kimchi and I love Naomi. Naomi's one of my favorite queens of all time. So I was so excited, and they did not disappoint. When I saw the products, I just like lost it. I was like, wow, that palette is so right up my alley. They did send this to me, and I swear I've never opened a PR package faster in my life. I was so excited. Thank you guys for sending this over because I was like over the moon. Anyways, so let me show you guys the products in here. So the first thing that we have is the 2 Queens 1 Desert palette, and this is what it looks like. I'll put close-ups and stuff on the screen. Everything in this collection is also vegan. I have just Kimchi and Naomi on the front, and when you open it up, this is what the inside looks like. It is just like a dream. It is so colorful and fun. But you also have some neutrals in here too, because Naomi uses a lot of neutrals as well. So we have neutrals, but a lot of it is just really fun colors and stuff in here. The packaging of this, I think it's so cute. And yeah, this retails for 30 bucks. Okay, so the next thing we have is the Sun-Kissed in June face palette, and on the front we have him over here, and then we have Naomi on the other side. You open it up and this is what the inside looks like. Super cute. I love the Kimchi Chic Beauty face products. Like, I have their Drama Queen highlighter palette and I love it, so I was super excited to see that they were coming out with like a blush and highlight palette. This side is Kimchi's side and this side is Naomi's side, and they're both really pretty, and retails for $19. Last but not least, we do have the little no shaming, what is it called? No Sparkle Shaming little duo with the liquid eyeshadows in here. And we have a pink and a gold. The pink one is called Pink Shower, and then the gold one is called Femme Top. And these are vegan as well. And yeah, everything in this collection is vegan. I'm seeing that right now, like on the website. And these retail for $19. So that is the entire collection, and it's super cute. I was so excited to play around with it. This is the look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my thoughts on this collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and primed my eyes. I'm using the KVD Shake Primer. I'm still getting used to this primer. I'm not like, I don't know, it's like something you have to get used to. Let's start off with the palette. I am going to start off with Mariposa, which is this like really pretty lime green. I'm going to use that as my first transition shade. Just take some of that. Really pretty. This is like a green that I'm always looking for. So I'm just going to stamp that on into the crease. It's like a yellowy green. I love this color. I'm just stamping where I want that color, and then I'll blend that out. I am kind of bringing that out a little bit, not too much, but I am bringing it out just a tad. So pretty. I love these types of greens. I totally just said the wrong name. That was Dwarf Desert Peony. It's the green one. I was reading it the opposite way. I'm gonna go in with this shade, Mohane. This one right here. Mohane is like more of a grassy green, almost like a more limey grassy green. And I'm gonna put that just underneath the other shade. Ooh, that's really nice. That's like really nice and vibrant. And again, just stamping it and then blending it out. Love this color. It's so bright. Go back with the brush we were using before and just blend out the edges. Once I have those two shades down, I'm gonna go in with Yucca. This is a more, I don't know, it's really hard to describe greens. It's like a darker green, but not too dark. This one is more of a like, it reminds me of the like watermelon green. And I'm gonna put this on the outer part. And I'm actually going to take a little bit of Suit Yourself, which is the black. I'm going to mix that with the Yucca shade to make a darker green. So I just kind of mix them, and I'm going to put that to deepen up this outer corner. Once I have that down, I'm going to go in with the Kimchi Chic The Most Concealer. I'm taking the white one, and I'm going to cut my crease with this. I've never used this before to cut my crease, but it looks like a really nice white concealer to do so. A Makeup Shack like little flat brush for this. I like to put the concealer down and then I just like look straight to know where I need to cut it. I'm gonna take my finger and just blend out the edges of that. My lid, I'm gonna go in with I'm Not Yokin' Bitch, which is the really bright yellow on where I put the concealer. Ooh, this is so pretty. Wow, I love this eyeshadow. Kind of blend that into the outer corner. Go back with a little brush with Yucca and blend that into that yellow shade. And then I'm just going to do that on this eye really quick, and then I'm going to do my foundation, and then we'll do the lower lash line. I went ahead and just finished up this eye, and then I added some wing liner, just because I was like doing my makeup and I was like, I think I need a winged liner. So my foundation, and I'm baking right now. I'm using the Kimchi Chic Puff Puff Pass powder to bake. So before we get into the lower lash line, we do have the Sunkissed in June palette, the face palette. This is such a cute packaging. I have 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. I think I'm gonna go in with June for my blush because I don't know, I'm not like a huge pink blush person. Maybe I'll mix them. I'll take both of them and mix them actually. So I'm just going back and forth. Oh yeah, them together actually is a really pretty blush. I'm gonna go in with Kimchi's highlighter, which is Afternoon Glisten. Naomi's is a little dark for my skin tone. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love, ooh, it's like the perfect, like warm champagne-y gold. Oh, very intense too. If you like an intense highlight, this is it. I have the little Diamond Shart duo. I use one on my lower lash line, I think the pink one, because I want to do pink. Yeah, I might do that one. Go back into the palette, and I'm gonna take Beaver Tail, which is this like fuchsia color, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. There's some green shadow from earlier that just kind of like went to the bottom, and I'm just keeping it there. I really like this pink color. Taking that to the inner part where that like inner corner is at, where I kind of brought down some of that yellow. And I'm taking some more of Yucca, and I'm just going to put that on this outer part right here. I somehow got some green eyeshadow under my eye over here, so that's great. Just ignore that. I'm probably going to clean it up afterwards. But I'm going to go into the Pink Shower Diamond Shart, and I'm going to take that along my lower lash line. I'm not going to take a lot. I'm just taking some in the back of my hand, and I'm just going to kind of like tap that over the pink. A hint of glitter. I'm not putting like too much of it. I'm gonna take a little bit of Cactus, which is the shimmery yellow. I'm gonna put that like right in the inner corner. Kind of blending that into this inner part of the lid. Go ahead and do my lashes, my lips, finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So this is the finished look. The lashes that I'm wearing are actually Christie's lashes from her collab. These are the lovely ones, I think. But anyway, so this is the finished look. I love how it came out. At first I was kind of like, oh, I don't know if I like this, but I love the finished look. I feel so like it just reminds me of like watermelon or something. Also on my lips, I'm wearing the new ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil in Bengal. It's the pink one. I'm probably never gonna stop using these. It's so good. Okay, so let me give you guys my final thoughts on the collection. So for the palette, I love the palette. I love the colors in here. They're so fun and vibrant, but you also have your neutrals because I know Naomi loves her neutrals. Honestly, this palette is really good. I love getting some new greens because greens are really hard to come by, so I love the greens in here. The pinks in here are really pretty. The yellow that I put on my lid is stunning. It's so pretty. Yellow that I put in my inner corner is really pretty too. So overall, I love the palette and I'll definitely get a lot of use out of it. Face palette, I really love too. I like the blushes in here a lot, and I love the highlighter in here as well. The one that's on Kimchi's side is really, really nice. I love this one for my skin tone. I think the one on Naomi's side is a little bit too dark for me, but that's okay because I can still use the other 3 things in this palette. Really love it, and I love the packaging. It's so cute. Little duo with the diamond shards. I didn't use the other one, the gold one, this one, but I did use the pink one just a little bit on my lower lash line, but I've tried the diamond shards before and they're bomb, so I'll definitely get use out of those as well. But I love the packaging on everything. I love the little touches on the boxes, like right here in the little, what is that called, like the little lip thing. It says hi darling, and like everything is just really cute and thought out. I love it, and I love how this look turned out. I feel so cute. Yeah, so that is my thoughts on this collection. I definitely give it 2 thumbs up, and yeah, it's such a cute collab. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Did you guys pick up this collection? I know it's been out for a little bit now. Leave me a comment down below, let me know if you guys did or not. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.